Hello, welcome back to my channel. As you know, I'm in my retinization process. This is week 5 of the clinical solutions. So, week 5, I get to apply the retinol twice. Yes, twice a week. So, tonight is the first night, which is Monday, and I will reapply another set on Thursday as my regular night in the past other 4 weeks. So I just want to pop on and show you and let you know I'm excited. This is week 5 of the retinization process. I applied twice. I just finished. I look a little shiny, but it's okay. So you see my face. It looks just looks so clean and smooth and so I just want to pop on, let you see that this is week 5. I'm applying the retinol, pure retinol, twice a week, meaning that I'm applying the retinol on my face. I'm not diluting it at all. So stay tuned for the second application of week 5. Hello again. I'm back with the second application in week 5. At the beginning of this video that you're going to be watching, I did it on Monday night, which was March the 1st. And then we get to do it again, which is tonight, which is March the 4th. So 2 times this week. So if you don't know what we're talking about, this is the clinical solutions. Clinical solutions. Tongue-tied. I'm tired tonight as well. But I wanted to be true to my word and to be true to my journey. Thank you, everyone who's been along this journey with me. If you've been following me along with my videos, I have been posting them on YouTube, of course, and then shared in my Darmish MK VIP group on Facebook. So, as I stated that this is week 5. Week 5, right? Yes. And I applied. I'm also in a group as well. I'm doing with a group of other ladies that's doing the same thing. So prior to this, I washed my face. I did everything I need to do. And then I did my retinization process, which you guys know that, of course, you always wash your face and you want to apply your eye cream after you wash your face. So you don't mix the retinol with your eyes. So it's almost like a protective barrier. That's what I say, a protective barrier. So I will be posting some pictures throughout this video so you can see my week 5 pictures on Monday and on tonight, which is Thursday. So we're going on to week 6. Oh my God. Let me see what's happening week 6. Once again, on week 6, we'll do the same thing. So on Monday and on Thursday, I will apply one time on Monday and one time on Thursday, making it 2 applications a week. And so it is pure retinol. You squeeze out 1 pump. You just press the thing down and what come out, that's what it is. You don't need to add no more to what come out of this pump. 1 pump, that's it. And then you distribute on your face. And then you let it sit. I let mine sit for a few minutes since we're doing the 2 times this week. So to make sure I'm not having no kind of reaction. And then I apply the common milk. And I'm still doing 2 pumps of the common milk. So I apply the common milk. It is called Calm Plus Restore Facial Milk. I call it common milk. So what that does is if my face was feeling burning, tingling, whatever, I can apply the common milk to help soothe the skin. But like I've stated in my prior videos, I have not had any bad reactions, no burning, no tingling, none of that. I forget which week it was. I had some dryness right here, but other than that, nothing. As you can see, while I'm back, my skin looks clear. It looks smooth, and to touch it is soft. So as I stated in the prior videos, I really don't have no problems. I'm not liking the mask, guys. It's doing me wrong. It is really doing me wrong. So that's the only thing I see wrong with my face here. And it's the same thing on this side. So wearing that mask, we do not get along. But for my safety and the safety of others, I'm going to continue to wear my mask. No matter what happens in the world, what they say, our governors say, I'm going to continue to wear my mask until I feel safe and comfortable. And so with me washing my face and doing this 2 times a week, I know it's the mask. Like, my face is not nasty. I mean, we get dirty stuff on our face throughout the day, don't get me wrong, but I'm saying like a build up to make me have breakouts. So I know the breakouts are coming from wearing the mask. So I have not had any breakouts from using the clinical solution. So let's be clear, no breakouts from using the new product, clinical solutions. So far, my experience have been great. I'm loving how my skin is feeling. The only thing that I can say is in a prior video, I mentioned that it's some products that we cannot use. Anything that we have a line clear proof, we cannot use that, guys. Our brush, I miss my brush. Charcoal mask, the hydrogel eye patches. So many products. So the reason why you cannot use that is because of the ingredients that's in here. They don't need to collide. That is why we're doing the 8-week process to get my skin used to the retinol. So as time progresses, once I reach my 8 weeks, I will begin gradually adding my products back in, like my brush and charcoal mask, and I was using serum C+E. And with that, Mary Kay has educated us well and gave us a chart, and we have different things. So it'll let me know. So on the days that I normally wash my face, which is every day, but when I want to do extra supplements, then that will be the days I'm not using my retinol. So once my skin is retinized, which is why we're going through this whole retinization process, then I can be able to do the other supplements any other time. But I don't see any things that's going on that I probably use. But I do miss my charcoal mask. I miss trying to help my little bumps out. I was saying in a previous video that it was my little monthly bump, but that went away and nothing didn't happen. As you know, when the time changes, so does the cycle. So that's not what it is. So it's definitely the mask. I'm looking at it. So it is leaving dark spots on my face. So I'm praying and believing that once I'm done with this retinization process, that those spots will be gone. And of course, I'm going to talk about this little dot right here. Remember that one? It's dark. And that was another pimple that I had on my face. And you see it's leaving a dark spot. When I'm back far, I can see it because my face is brightening up. It is getting my skin tone evenly. Can you say evenly? But yes, my skin tone will be even as well. Smooth, firmness, all that good stuff. Once again, if you have any questions concerning this, I am so tired and I'm just babbling. I hear myself babbling. But if you're interested in the clinical solution, it comes as a set. I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying the experience. We are in week 5 and I have 3 more weeks to go. So stay tuned. I'll be back next week with week number 6. We'll be applying it twice again, Monday and Thursday. Please like and share, comment. If you have not subscribed, please do so you'll know when I upload a video. And I'm going to try to add some more content besides this retinization process. So stay tuned for more videos from me, just for you. All right. Thank you for tuning in. God bless.